Welcome once again. You are welcomed at Mehta PG College online video platform. Today we will study about the meaning and the definitions of contemporary perspectives. ठीक है? Okay. So I have told you before that there are so many regions. On the basis of these regions, you can say political approaches are now modern. First of all, we will talk about their nature, meaning, and the definitions. The contemporary approach is based on fact. It means it is a factual approach. Experiences and implementation of new methods in political science. These new methods are political socialization, political culture, political development, power and legitimacy and authority. These are the new concept which is proved that politics is also a science, and this method also prove that political science study the study of political science is not only normative, it is also a scientific study. It means when you study on the basis of scientific research and scientific method, it means you are talking about the modern political approach. Okay, so first of all they lay emphasis, it means the modern approaches on factual study of a particular condition of a particular state. This particular condition means you involve their citizens, their rights, power, legitimacy, authority, voting attitude, voters attitude. It means when you study on the behalf of that particular conditions of a particular state, it means you are study of on the basis of modern approaches. You can also study of political events. When you study of political events is also modern technique of political study, because every event has their own influence, and they events also influenced the international politics and national politics. So we can say that in new matter of study, new manner of study is called the new manner of study is called modern approach, approaches of political science. On the basis of these they arrived at the final conclusion, final means लास्ट कंक्लूजन भी कह सकते हैं. एंड डेफिनेट रिजल्ट एंड गेट डेफिनेट रिजल्ट, ऐसा भी यू कैन से. एंड गेट डेफिनेट रिजल्ट. It means with the help of this modern approach you can also get an appropriate answer of your questions related to the political science. You can get solution of their particular political problems on the basis of scientific study. It means modern approaches examine the object of a state and the process of a state. I mean to say that all the time these approaches are examine of a contemporary stage of a state. What is a state actually doing? Okay, and it is right or wrong, it is beneficially or not. The relevance to the political science, the relevance of political science is a necessary thing, a necessary thought according to this approach. I mean to say that after Second World War the study of political science have changed, totally changed. In the starting stage they deny all the values. It means when you study of values, it means you are traditional, and when you not talking about values, it means you are a modernist political thinker. Modern approaches examine to the contemporary stage of a state. It means what a particular state is doing in present. You can identify, you can examine with the help of modern approaches. Modern approaches means when you change the former ideas, you deny the former ideas. When you change the former ideas in the basis of present condition, it means you are developing a new idea, new thoughts. That idea can consist in present conditions, then exist in present condition. It means you are trying to exist the political science in present condition. So you are making new thoughts, new theories, new concept for the study of political science. So I think you have understood what I am saying about the new or modern approaches. So I mean, when you differentiate between past and present on the scientific methods, these are the main modern political thinkers. Charles Merriam, David Easton, Loswell, and mainly Herbert Spencer. So these are the main political thinkers. They have developed new thoughts in political science. So you have to know what is the difference between these new modern political thinkers and some old political thinkers. Armand Powell, Robert Dahl, Robert Nozick are the most famous modern political thinkers. When you read about these these famous persons' work related to political science, then you know what they have done in the field of political science. Lucian Pye. There are many examples of the modern political science thinkers. modern political approach include power, authority, and legitimacy, political modernization, political culture, okay, political development, political socialization, and political allied group, pressure group, etc., etc. These are main reasons and main elements that makes politics to political science. Politics to political science. These are your next units topics. So, when you study about one by one of these methods, these topics, these concepts, then you know very well why is political science is a modern political science. Now we will study of the definitions. So this is the first definition. Political science is the study of human activities or politics as public affairs. Okay, it means in according to this definition we can study of man's behavior, and there are so many causes which affect the person's nature, mind, mood, and its ideology, its thoughts. Okay, so it means in this according to this definition we can say, who says Loswell says that political science is a study of united society. It means Catlin says that political science is study of united societies, but especially we study of their, it means society's political aspect. We study of society's political aspects in political science. It means the study of political aspects of a society. It means you are study of political science according to Catlin. Okay, and I want to tell you that the modern time the main object of politics according to this approach, the main object of study is identify the main issues, or to identify and maintain the various types of public affairs, is to identify and maintain the various public issues. It is the main object of study of political science, to identify and maintain the various public issues. Okay, and for that purpose it necessary to implement the law, and making of laws and implementation of laws is necessary thing to set these issues and affairs. It means if a person is not satisfied with the political system, political government, then it will be not satisfied in their concept of political science. So he will try to abolish that particular concept and the rule and regulations. So in this definition we are trying to set all the issues and the issues on the behalf of the good governance. Government is a particular institute that can set all the issues related to the man's public life. For that issues, government enact laws and implement that laws. This is the basic duty of a state. If a state unsuccessful to enact law and to implement the law, it means the citizens of that particular state will not follow the order of particular state. is, according to this situation, person is affected by many different ideas and the situations, like financial situation, social situation, and the financial, social, religious thoughts also can be affected a person. So it is necessary for a political system or a political government or a political science to study a man, individual man, and its nature. According to Burdent, in our subject, we study of relationship. It means in political science, we study of relationship between all the human beings. So it is necessary because human, a man can't live single. Human always believe to make relationship, and relationships have different expectations. So political science is study of these expectations, these human activities, these demands to the government. So it is necessary you have know about their people's nature, their demands, and their difficulties. So it is your first definition that says political science is the study of a human activities, or political science as public affairs. Political science is deal with civil matters. Politics is deal with a social society, deals with matter of social society. ठीक है, सिविल सोसाइटी, सोशल कह दें या सिविल कह दें, सिविल सोसाइटी. इट मीन्स सोसाइटी इज आल्सो इफेक्ट द पॉलिटिकल साइंस या पॉलिटिक्स. A famous political thinker says that when the society is plugged with crisis, then the crisis affect the society, and that crisis reflected the political science. It means crisis affected the society, society's reflection will definitely affect the political science. So you can say